My name is Janet. I was diagnosed with stage 3B breast cancer. I was scared basically into thinking I was going to have to do chemo, and then I just thought that's just not right, because I knew too many people that had done chemo and ended up didn't do them that much good because they either had relapses or they just never rebuilt their systems again. So I made an appointment with Dr. Karlfeldt and I said, I'm really discouraged. What can we do here?
My name is Alicia. So in 2015 I was diagnosed with breast cancer and it traveled to my lymph nodes. For 2 years I was in remission, and on my 3rd year I was re-diagnosed with metastasized breast cancer. It was in my lungs, my liver, my spine, and I ended up passing out in my kitchen and went in for an MRI and found out I had brain tumors as well. I had 4 brain tumors. So from the doctor's perspective, it didn't look good.
The 2-week program, first you have an appointment with Dylan, and he goes through, gives you the paperwork, and you get all the paperwork with all the different protocols that are available to you. And then have an appointment with Dr. Karlfeldt that will go through and do some testing and try to determine what he feels is the best protocol, and looking at your chart, your blood work, and your history. And so he designed the protocol for me.
I did a lot of IV injections. I did a lot of laser treatments. For my liver, there was, they did some laser treatments through the skin. I did hyperbaric, the Hockett machine for the oxygen.
And then also having the program with working with some of the emotional aspects to it, dealing with some of the fears and the intergenerational situations that seem to creep into your psyche for some reason. And then just knowing that I was dealing with it from an emotional, physical, spiritual, just a holistic approach.
Well, I feel 100% better. I've got my marker testing, which I don't know exactly what the markers are called that they test, but it went from 222 down to 79, I believe now.
So we started at a 9.9 centimeter size of the tumor, getting it down to 4.5, and saw results every single time that we were here. So there was a reduction in both lymph nodes and in the breast tumor size.
So I went back to my doctors after this process, and they see me as in remission. So now knowing that I've gone through these treatments and I'm feeling better, I'm healing, I'm practically in remission, I know that I can be with my kids and I don't have to worry about leaving them behind.